So, this dog spotted his toy floating in the middle of the pool, and he was determined to get it without getting wet. So he stretched out his paw, trying over and over to pull the toy closer through the water. But every time he reached for it, the toy floated just a little farther away. You could literally see him thinking, "Come on, just a little closer." He kept leaning more and more and more, until suddenly, splash! Bro accidentally fell straight into the pool himself. And honestly, the funniest part is that after all that effort to avoid the water, he ended up swimming anyway.